Construction of 60-degree angle. In this video, we describe about how to construct an angle, how to draw an angle of 60 degree with simple steps using a pair of compasses. Let's begin. Draw a ray OA with O as a center and any suitable radius. Draw an arc cutting OA at a point B. Again, with B as a center and same radius, draw an arc cutting the previous radius at a point C. Join O with C and reduce it to D. Now angle AOD is equal to 60 degree. Here is the angle of 60 degree. You can also make these different types of angle. You can also make these different types of angle. Let's measure the angle, any one of any two. Put this line on this line and this line too here. Let's check another. Put the center point on the O and here you will see this angle is accurate 60 degree. Thanks for watching.